speed of an object, trigonometry can be used to calculate the speed of an object. For example, we want a laser beam to travel at a specific speed. We know what speed we want the beam to shoot at and the measure of angle A. So to find x, we can use the trigonometric ratio for sine angle A is equal to x over speed, and to manipulate that we can use sine angle A times speed is equal to x. Meanwhile, we can also find y by the use of cosine of A is equal to y over speed, and we can also manipulate that. So in the code, this is how it would look like in game programming. Okay, let's say for example on this screenshot of Franco trying to hook a hero named Melissa. His hook moves 10 meters per second, so that's the speed, and with an angle of 68 degrees. Now we want to calculate the value of x and y here, so we can actually use the trigonometry for sine and cosine to identify the unknown value. Let's say for example we want to solve for the value of y. So to solve for the value of y, we know that the opposite of 68 is y, and the speed is the hypotenuse. So meaning we could actually use the opposite side over the hypotenuse for the trigonometric ratio of sine. So with that, we will be able to calculate the value of y. So let us show that by the use of a solution. So in our solution, we could calculate the value of y by sine of 68 degrees is equal to, of course, the opposite side is y and the hypotenuse is 10, so that is y over 10. So to be able to solve for y, we just need to multiply both sides by 10. So that 10 will cancel out in here on the right side, and we are left with y. So y will be 10 times the sine of 68 degrees. By the use of a calculator, we will be able to find the value of that. So let us show. So by the use of the calculator, we can solve 10 times the sine of 68 degrees. So the value will be 9.27184. Okay, so the value for y is 9.27184. While for the value of x is actually the adjacent side and 10 is the hypotenuse. So meaning we could solve for the value of x by trigonometric ratio for cosine. So cosine of 68 degrees is equal to the adjacent side, which is x all over 10. And then same procedure will follow, multiply both sides by 10 so that x will be left out on the right side because 10 will cancel out, and we have 10 times the cosine of 68 degrees. And to solve that, we could actually use a calculator, same as the way how we did it with the first example in solving for y. But this time we'll be using 10 times cosine of 68 degrees. So 10 times cosine of 68 degrees is Actually 3.74607. Approximately equal to 3.74607. So these are approximated values, meaning if we are going to round these numbers off to the nearest tenths, y will be equal to approximately equal to 9.3, and then x will be approximately equal to 3.7. So here you go, ladies and gentlemen. Those are the values of x and y for this example. Thank you so much for watching.